Member Parliament Shri Janab P.P. Mohammed Faisal, Janab Sayyid Zainul Abidin, Janab Sayyid Zahir Hussain Jilani, Janab C. Pukoya, Shri Janab Ibrahim Bakawi, President cum Chief Councillor, Chairman Waqf Board, Qazi Sahibans from various islands and religious scholars, Sayyid Ibrahim Khalil Bukhari and Janab Pukoya Alime. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am not a religious scholar, and my shortcoming is that I can't speak Malayalam. The choice with me is either to speak in Urdu or in English. So whatsoever would be your choice, I would go by that. Brothers and respectable seniors, Qazi Sahiban, I express my great happiness seeing pure, peaceful Sufi Islam in these islands. Probably it is because of the awliyas like Sayyid Muhammad Qasim Waliullah Radiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, and other such saints who have spread the word of Allah Ta'ala in these beautiful islands. It is not strange that today, when we are celebrating the anniversary of one of the most respected Waliullah these islands have seen, we are also celebrating the Lakshadweep Day. The Lakshadweep, if it is peaceful, if it is progressing, it is because of the blessings of all these awliyas who are buried in these beautiful sands and whose blessings are always there for all of us, those who are living here, those who are coming from outside to work here, and those also who go out from this place after doing an honest work here. And may Bari Ta'ala continue to shower His choicest blessings upon all of you, all of us, all of them who have been here and who are no more with us. Like I mentioned, I am not a religious scholar, but try to be a simple Muslim, because there is no more simple religion than Islam. And I try in my own humble way to be a simple Muslim. For me, my work is also ibadat. I might miss a farz of performing a namaz on time, but I would not miss my work, because so many persons are connected with my work. So many poor souls are connected with my work. If I would not do their work, a person is coming from different islands, his paper is coming to me, and if I do not do justice to that paper in time, then howsoever namaz on time I would perform, probably that would be of not much use. Because I believe that my Baritala has ordained me to first work for the people whose welfare he has entrusted to me. You might not be seeing me very many times in mosque. Sometime whenever I am here on a Jummah day, I would come. Probably some of my brothers sitting here might have met me on Eid day here. Because that is again my habit. I belong to Jammu Kashmir. My all family, my brothers, sisters, father, mother, uncle, aunties, they are all there. My own children are there. But when Eid came, I decided to celebrate Eid with the people for whom God has chosen me to send here, because without His mansha, without His order, without His will, a leaf of a tree cannot move. So brothers and respected ulama ikram, I can only wish that the blessings of all the awliyas who have blessed these islands continue to shower upon all of us, and may Parvardigara do Alam shower His choicest blessings upon all of us, give us Iman, Sacha Iman, true Iman, and make us practical Muslims, not the kind of theoretical Muslims and those fundamental Muslims who are doing nothing but spreading blood, terror and death all around, and in the process making a pure Muslim a sign of hatred for rest of the world. Let's pray to the God that God gives sense to all such people who are misguided and come to this religion, which is a religion of peace, love, brotherhood. Shukriya. May God be with you. May God be with all of us. May Allah Ta'ala shower His blessings upon all of us once again. Assalamu alaikum.